how to migrate Contact Form 7 reCAPTCHA key to Google Cloud Console reCAPTCHA, the free version. In this video session, we're going to migrate our current key that is used on Contact Form 7 on our WordPress site and make sure it continues to work using Google Cloud reCAPTCHA, the free version. All you need to do is log in to your main Google account and simply visit cloud.google.com. Then here we need to create a new project by simply hovering over this link here and create a new project. You can give your project a unique name. You can also edit its ID. Here we can leave the location option, because here it seems a bit confusing, right? Because it's got an asterisk mark and we think that it's required. It's not required for us to migrate our reCAPTCHA key. All we need to do is create a new project by pressing on Create. Once you've created your new project, then go to the project dashboard. As in, when you go to your console, when you log into your Google Cloud Console, if it's the only project that you've created, you'll see this menu option. You can press on its dashboard, or you can access that through the left-hand side menu option here. Then, before we start using Google Cloud reCAPTCHA, go to Project Settings. Here, press on Privacy and Security, because to be able to use Google Cloud reCAPTCHA, we need to read through these very important terms and conditions. Once you've done that, next step is this. Simply go to this URL. This is very tricky to find, so therefore I'm making this available like so. Simply visit this particular URL. It's under Detections and Controls. It's under reCAPTCHA. But if you're trying to find reCAPTCHA option without directly visiting the URL, Google Cloud may take you to the Enterprise option. Instead, simply visit this URL because we want to migrate to use reCAPTCHA Essentials version, which is a free version allowing up to 10,000 assessments per month. Okay? So then, once you visit this URL, what you will see is your classic keys. And all you need to do to migrate is press on Upgrade Key and then confirm the migration. That is how simple it is to migrate Contact Form 7 reCAPTCHA, whether it's version 3 or version 2. So the classic reCAPTCHA will soon be discontinued. In the next video session, I'll show you how you can migrate your current key to use the Enterprise option. I thank you for learning with reCAPTCHA, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.